Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, I will talk about my report titled Network Types. First one, what is the network types? Christensen, he said a network consists of multiple devices that communicate with one another. It can be as small as 2 computers or as large as billions of devices. Well, a traditional network is composed of desktop computers. Modern networks might include laptops, tablets, smartphones, televisions, and gaming consoles, smart applications, and other electronic. History of the computer. I continued in my report a complete summary of the history of the networks. Types of networks. There are many types of computer networks, and each type of advantage let use in this report remind them all. Personal area network PAN. The smallest and most basic type of network is PAN is made up of wireless modem. A computer or 2 phones, printers, tables, and reveals around one person is one building. This type of networks are typically found in small offices or residences and are managed by one person or organization from a single devices. Number 2, local area network, LAN. We're confident that you heard of these types of networks before. LANs are the most frequently discussed networks. One of the most common, one of the most original, and one of the simplest type of network. LANs connect group of computers and low voltage devices together across a short distance within a building or between group of 2 or 3 buildings in close proximity to each other to share information and resources. Enterprises typically manage and manage LANs. Using returns, LANs can connect to wide area networks. Once explained below. 2. Rapidly and softly transfer data. Wireless local area network, WLAN. Function like LAN. WLANs make use of wireless network technology, such as Wi-Fi, typically seen in the some types of the application as LANs. This type of network don't require the devices really on the physical cables to connect to the network. Composed area network CAN. Larger than LANs but smaller than metropolitan area networks. MANs explained below. This type of the networks are typically seen in the universities like school districts or small business. They can be spread across several buildings that are really close to each other so user can share resources. Metropolitan area network. This type of the network are larger than LANs but smaller than WLANs and incorporate elements from both types of network. MANs span in entire graphic area. Typically to our city, but sometimes I compose. In ownership and maintenance is handled by either single person or company, a local, only a large company. Wide area network, well, significantly more complex than LANs and WLANs connects computers together, accuracies longer a physically distance. This allows computer and low voltage devices to be remotely connected to each other over a large network to communicate even when these miles apart. The internet is most basic example of the WLAN, connecting all computers together around the world. Because of one's visit reach, it is typically owned and managed by multiple administration or the public. Strong area network SAN is a directly high-speed network that connect share poles of the strong devices several surface that types of the network don't really on the LAN or WLAN. Instead, they move storage resources away from the network and place them into their own high performance network. SANs can be accessed in the some fashion a drive attached to server. System area network. This term is fairly new within the past 2 decades. It is used to explain relatively local network that is designed to provide high-speed connection in the server-to-server application. Basic optical local area network is an alternative to traditional switch-based Ethernet LANs. Blown technology can be integrated into structured cabling to overcome concerns about supporting traditional Ethernet protocols and network applications such as power over Ethernet. Enterprise Preferred Network (ABN). This type of the network are bullied and on need by business that want to seriously connect its various locations to share computer resources. The last one, the Virtual Private Network (VPN). By exerting a brief network accuracy the internet, a VPN lets its users send and receive data is a fire devices were connected to the private network, even they're not through a virtual point-to-point connection. Users can access a private network remotely. This is a detailed type of the computer network science. It was founded unital to develop in our modern area, and we notice that this type they are hidden from each other. The advantage of the computer network. One of the advantage computer network is that it is easy to learn and can be learned by people through internet without paying money, and it is most important future are connected to each other. This disadvantage of the computer network. From my point of view, one of the main drawbacks of the computer network, it is penetration of the computer networks by hackers, and the fact that wireless are slower than networks connected by internet networks. The conclusion. The concept of the computer network seems to be a system to connect devices to each other using communication system techniques, as well as allowing direct communication between users of the network. Networks can be categorized according to each type and quality. Furthermore, a network user can set conditional and designation to protect the privacy of the network. They can access or modify the network, and this makes computer network important to computer science. That's it.